So Damon calls yesterday and says, "Hey man, what are you doing tomorrow? Do you want to come to Canada?" Hell yeah.
You good?
I'm not going to Canada.
I was going to Canada anyway. It didn't look like he was going though.
We got it.
Oh! Hot. 親切なんだけどね、おまわりさんが。
All-American Hammer, baby! You got it. Hey, you weren't joking about it being fun hanging out with you, man.
I know, right?
6 a.m. Getting on a flight, heading to Vancouver. LAX, here I come. I was to meet up with Alex Choi over here, so got here. See Alex, he actually made it here. Surprised some of you young guys don't like to wake up so early, so I'm guessing he might have stayed up all night or something like that. But anyway, he's here, he's at the counter, and he's on his phone furiously punching a bunch of numbers in and doing all kinds of stuff, and I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I walk up to the counter, check in right away. Apparently Alex got some extra paperwork that he's got to do in order to leave the country or get into Canada or something, but look, I don't think he's gonna make it.
You good?
I'm not going to Canada.
Are you serious?
Yep. It
What?
takes 72 hours.
What? The guy was like 20 minutes he said he could do it in.
It says up to 72 hours, so.
Whew, a little scared, but it looks like he got in. He said, "We ain't going to Canada." We are going to Canada. I was going to Canada anyway. It didn't look like he was going though. Daily のデイモンさんと、2、3日、カナダで時間を過ごすことができるので、まもなく到着になります。すごい楽しみにしてます。
I'm so stoked to be here. It's cold, but it's not ridiculous cold. Oh, God.
Hey, Victoria, in a kayak.
Hey, come on, forget about it, huh?
In a Murcielago. Get out of here.
That's pretty good.
Forget about it. Hey, I'm from New York, man. We grew up around a lot of Italians.
Oh, I love you.
We drove IROCs when I was in high school, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Got a black Cadillac, too.
Oh, yeah, we did. Lots of black Cadillacs.
It's a big trunk.
And gold chains.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe a couple of purple sweatsuits, too, back in the day. Woohoo! Look at that. Beautiful. You know, there's something about seeing places that you're not used to seeing. It's just, I don't know, it's fun. City Hall.エンプレスというホテルなのかな。初めて来たんだけど綺麗なところですよ。ハマー H1 に乗ってます。カナダでランボルギーニ2台が前にいて、俺がハマーの H1 に乗ってて、すげえ何年ぶりかな、20年ぶりかな、こういうの乗ってるんだよ。ここエンジンルームはここですよ。すげえ座るところはあれモモのフィルがついてたっけ。でっかいよこのハマーは。マジでもう車線より幅があるんじゃね。こういうのは乗るのが大好きなんだよね。特に狭いところで、例えばこういう車日本で乗るなんて目立ちますよね。これアメリカで乗っても目立つんで楽しい。これからこのフェリーというんですかね、このボートに乗りますね。車このまま乗って乗せて、でどこまで行くんだろう。What a fun day so far. All because of this guy right here, man.
What do you
You
think?
hooked it up. I'm having so much fun.
Are you?
Dude, you know what? I can get into any car. Something like this that I haven't driven in about 20 years is so much freaking fun to get into. It's not about fast or slow. It's just about how badass something like this is.
This
and
is
unique
cool,
it is.
isn't it?
I love it. I love it, man.
Very clean.
今、船の中にいます。船の下なのかな。ハマーも乗りますよ。このままハマーだけじゃなくて、もう大型トラックとかトレーラーもピックアップトラックもね、あとランボルギーニ、フェラーリも何でもね乗る、ボートですね。What's the name of it? Nanaimo. Yeah, I saw that when we pulled into town. What are these called?
It's poutine.
Poutine, and this is what? This is a Canadian thing?
Yeah, cheese curds
Yeah.
on your French fries with hot gravy.
これ皆さんご存知ですか？もうカナダでのポテトフライというのはこういうものですよね。こういうのは食べたことないので今日初めて試してみます。カナダ式のポテトフライです。いただきます。
The gravy is pretty plain. You get a hot one?
First reaction.
That's warm. First reaction is warm. But a little bit of my turkey stuffing and gravy. Boy, I like that.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Yeah. Warms you up too.
For sure.
And the inside, I have some more of that. Oishio. I like that. I'm gonna have more of those later.
Yes, you
That's hot.
piping hot full of food.
How did I get the hot one like that? Holy
Your reaction. He's just burning his mouth.
美味しすぎて熱いもう。
It's good. He's just dying.
今日面白いことをやります。今からね。今からオフロードに行きますね。友達もできました。どっかブラカ
よろしく。
よろしく。日本語うまいでしょこの子が。
いや全然
俺に負けないんだろ。
日本人ですからね。
いや違う。この顔ですごいかっこいい車いっぱい持ってるのと、今度試乗させてくれるということも言ってくれてるので、いいねー。とりあえず今日はオフロード。
そう、オフロードする。
じゃあ今からデイモンの車乗ります。
What's up, buddy?
Let's go, co-pilot.
Top of the morning to you.
Top of the morning.
Can I co-pilot with you?
Yeah, let's get in.
Right on. Jeez. 2 in 2 days? Wow.
I love this thing.
Isn't that so much fun?
I love it.
Driver's license, please.
警察に止められました。今覆面のパトカーにいきなり止められたんですね。1台だけじゃなくて1、2、3、4もう何台やられたんだろうね。覆面はすごいよ。これ見て。
みんなやられましたね。
そうですね。
関係ないですか？
関係ないですけど、俺はファンなだけです。俺はファンです。
彼のせい、その人のせい。これ偉い人がこれできたんだよね。
かなり目立ってると思うよな。渋滞のすごい原因になってると思うし、これはサムズアップと言えないですね。親切なんだけどね、おまわりさんが。これ写真撮りっぱなし。カナダの警察に初めて止められたんだな。
Hey, you weren't joking about it being fun hanging out with you, man.
I know, right?
This is amazing.
So cool.
Vite, 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 vite.
Ready?
All right, we got some mud.
Scuba!
Oh my god!
That's another one. That'll, yeah.
That's
Oh, hit it! Go, 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 go!
The luggage is in the back.
Oh,
It's a soft top. Oh, dude, that's so.
Did you guys have bags in the back of this truck by any chance? Uh-oh. Luggage check. Luggage check.
もう今それ全部濡れちゃったかもしれないな、今ので。
Yes!
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Did he stall? Yeah, he did. He took water into his intake.
Oh, that's.
Woo! Oh, scuba! Uh-oh. Take it in water.
Push it, punch
Take it in water.
Oh my
We're getting
God.
soaked. Oh boy.
I feel a little bit of water.
Oh, I do too. It's raining in here.
There you go.
You could soak Alex Choi right now. You could soak him. You could soak his ass. He's got. Oh boy. Here we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got it. We got it. Yeah. Hummer, baby! All American Hummer, baby! Yeah! Uh oh, we got a lot of mud coming in. We're flooded.
Oh, right there.
We're taking it in water. Hummer, すごいな。Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 完全にもう乗っかっちゃったんで。やばー。やばー。あ、ジープがやられちゃった。大変なことになってます。これ登ろうとしたら完全に上に乗っかっちゃってもう動かない状態。すごいことになりました。やばい。やばい。ハマが来ないとこれねどうにもならないよな。今どうしたんですか。やられたんですか。やりすぎかな。ちょっとやりすぎかな。
楽しいですから
楽しいからいいんだけど、ハマにね出してもらわないと。Hummer to the rescue. Hopefully. Don't bury that thing or we're really screwed. Hummer to the rescue.
Oh my God.
Yes. Hummer にね助けてもらわないと。One, two, three, go! I can't believe the Hummer just beat that thing. You got